we're in this space together, we'll move into our time of meditation. Let's return to our breath and take a deep breath in, a little pause, and a release. The breath connects us mind, body, and spirit, and it connects us in this moment, one with another. Allowing our attention to be on our breath. We notice the flow of breath as it moves in and out of our nostrils. Notice that gap in between the breath, where you're no longer breathing in and you're not yet breathing out. With that attention to your breath, follow your breath now as it moves deeper and deeper and deeper within. And deeper still to the very center of your being, your secret place of the Most High. In this quiet space, you know the truth of your being. You are love. You are peace. And you are joy. Allow this truth to move into every cell of your being, embodying, expressing, as we move into a moment of silence. In the stillness, you are in touch with your own divine essence. You are guided, and you know. You know truth beyond appearances. Together, let's take a deep breath in and release, bringing our attention back to this moment and this time. In complete surrender and gratitude to all divinity in every cell, expressing as each individual and as a community. And so it is.